Welcome back. Now, Chief Minister Omar Abdullah told NDTV that the BJP's flag-hoisting yatra is an additional headache for the state government on Republic Day, when security forces are already stretched out. But he reiterated that any attempt to vitiate the peaceful atmosphere of the state will be dealt with very sternly, and that the same standards would be applicable for the separatists also if they try and disturb the law and order.
With me is Chief Minister Omar Abdullah. Sir, the BJP have made it very clear that they're going ahead with the yatra. Do you think that it will vitiate the atmosphere of the state?
I'm not getting into anything more than what the state government has said in the course of a press statement that was released yesterday. We reviewed the situation, senior ministers, the DG and other senior officers of the police, the Chief Secretary, my Home Secretary. We took an in-depth review of the situation. We took certain decisions. Those decisions were announced in the course of in the form of a press statement, and that's it.
And now perhaps it would be a big worry. Already the security forces are stretched out on the 26th of January. It's quite a sensitive day across Jammu and Kashmir. And now this issue again, the issue of hoisting of the flag, do you think it adds to the worries of the state government?
Well, we obviously don't get to decide the circumstances that we govern under. I would have preferred not to have had this as an additional headache to already the headaches of dealing with the 26th of January, which since 1990 has been a problematic day. That having been said, I think we are well prepared for whatever eventuality will unfold.
BJP is obviously Tiranga Yatra, but separatists have also said that they'll hoist their own flag in Lal Chowk. You know, that's another aspect to the story.
I think if you go through the press statement, it's very clear we will not allow anybody who will vitiate the atmosphere. How does the separatists traveling to Lal Chowk not fall under this purview?
So they're obviously...
Well, obviously, I mean, you don't expect us to specify in our press statement who it is applicable to. It's applicable to anybody who is going to vitiate the atmosphere. That's it.
Thank you. That was the Chief Minister making it quite clear that anybody who will try to vitiate the atmosphere will be dealt with very sternly. Back to you in the studio.